the negative of the small group of adjective stems. And what we saw in the previous video is negated as follows. We have a noun is or are not, and a noun which is or which are not. And what you will find in this particular column is that whatever you had in the positive will now be preceded by a negative link. That's the one point. And secondly, you will notice that in each case there are in fact two negative forms. There's one and there's another. There's one and there's another. Let's have a look. Umntwana aka mkhulu o nge mkhulu. A negative nge creeps in here. Akakho mkhulu ongekho mkhulu. So akakho. So between the aka and the m has crept in ko. Okay? And between the o and the m has now, after the nge, has crept in ko. So we now have ngekho. And that repeats itself throughout. Abantu aba badala. The people are not old. Abange badala. Who are not old. The alternative, abakho badala. Abangekho badala. Umti awumde. The tree is not long. Ongemde, which is not long. The alternative, awukho mde. Ongekho mde. Imiti trees, ayi mihle, are not beautiful. Enge mihle, which are not beautiful. And the alternative, ayikho mihle, engekho mihle. Ilike, stone. Ali linye, it's not one in number. Elinge linye, which is not. The alternative, aliko linye. Elingekho linye. Amantombazana, little girls. And here we have two alternatives because there are two negative links. Aka being the purer grammatical form, awa being a more colloquial form, but both acceptable. So aka mabini, awa mabini. Ange mabini would be the which is not form, with the alternatives agako or awako mabini and angeko mabini. Isikolo asi sikulu. Esinge sikulu. Which asi sikulu, it is not big. Esinge sikulu, which is not big. With the alternatives asiko sikulu. Esingekho sikhulu. Izihlangu shoes. Azi zincinci. Ezinge zincinci. And the alternatives azikho zincinci. Ezingekho zincinci. Here where we see the asterisk, obviously there is a warning signal because it differs ever so slightly. Indlu ayinkulu, ayinkulu, and enge nkulu, because we've used the whole prefix there. There you can see it. Enge nkulu, and ayikho nkulu, and engekho nkulu. Asterisk once more. Intombi azinhle, not azizinhle, but azinhle. And ezinge ntle, ezinge ntle, like that, and that. Azikho ntle, not azikho zinhle, but azikho ntle, and ezingekho ntle. So be careful there. Usana, the prefix ulu, alu luncinci, olunge luncinci, alukho luncinci, olungekho luncinci. Ubusuku, the night, abu bude, obunge bude, abukho bude, obungekho bude, ukutya akuninzi, okunge kuninzi, akukho kuninzi, okungekho kuninzi. I think you must read this over many times and get used to the rhythm or the flow of the word as you change from positive to negative. But what we take note of in this table is that in the first column, the negative link is prefixed to the original positive form, as I mentioned. So we had in the positive ubusuku bude, and now it becomes ubusuku abu bude. And in the second column, the negative nge appears after the link in most cases. For example, ubusuku obude, a long night, obunge bude. So there the nge has crept in between the obu and the bu. But you must just be careful of imiti, the imi words, the ama words, and those with the asterisks. Imiti emide, becoming nge mide. That emi is then split, nge mi, and the ama is split into a nge ma, and the n is split into nge n, and the ezin is split into ezinge ntle. And of course, as I mentioned, there are two forms of each negative, and it appears as though the colloquial form containing the ko is the preferred form, but both are equally correct. That concludes this video. Enkosi kakhulu.